Hi, Assalamualaikum and good evening. We are from Group 4, want to present our medical rehab equipment project, which is hand strength exerciser. The function of this equipment is to strengthen hand and fingers for those who are in a recovery process in hand and fingers injuries. Hand strength exerciser can help in develop isolate finger strength, flexibility and coordination as it builds hand and forearm strength. Our product, which is a hand strength exerciser, was chosen to assist these customers who have a tendon injuries, fingers fractures, stroke or neurological issue. This is about our company mission statement. Rehabilitation equipment is made from lightweight and high quality material. It improves or maintains physical strength, coordination, mobility and cognition. Our product also affordable and easy to purchase in a website. This product provides maximum support without causing any further discomfort to patient that already in pain. At the right of this slide, we can see a hospital, rehabilitation center, clinic, sport organization, pharmacy, and orphan center. This yellow box is about a target market of our product. Based on the product that we choose, there are several objectives that must consider in this research. First, to improve the features of hand strength exerciser. Second, to become a convenience product of medical rehabilitation equipment. Third, to help in develop isolate finger strength, flexibility, and a forearm strength. Fourth, a hand strength exerciser with a ergonomic design and easy to handle. This is a current product in the market. As we can see, the body case look not solid and there are no safety present. This is because the spring part has not covered well. Our product using lightweight material, it's only 0.5 kg weight. For our product, the warranty provided to the customer is 3 months. We expect to sell the equipment at RM100 ringgit Malaysia. The main features of our product is using a lightweight material, comes with spring cover and adjustable spring resistance level.
In part improvement and development, our intention is to build a convenient product to the user. We also consider the value of safety in our product. By considering the current design in the market, with lack of functionality and safety, we have come with our new design for hand strength exerciser. First, we have redesigned the body case to be more user-friendly and comes with ergonomic shape. The new body case looks more strength and solid. It also comes with spring part cover to make it more safer to use to the user. Second improvement and development that we made are, at the spring part, we have developed the spring mechanism to adjustable. Instead of fixed resistance for each spring, users are able to adjust resistance for each individual spring. Then, at the finger pressing part, we have designed a curved surface. This is to make sure the finger placement is perfectly in position while pressing. As we can see in the current product, there is no spring part cover. Then, we have created a cover part for a top spring area. This is to avoid the finger accidentally go at the spring part while pressing. To adjust the spring resistance, by simply twist the nut at the spring, it will change the tension of the spring. twist anti-clockwise to increase the resistance of the spring, or twist clockwise to decrease the resistance of the spring. These are the examples of hand position while holding hand strength exerciser.
So basically, this is our hand strength exerciser 3D model. At the left is isometric view, and at the right is front view of our model. Okay, next is our assembly drawing for our hand strength exerciser 3D model. As you can see, we include all the dimension at our 3D model in the drawing. And the dimension is according to comfort of the several kind of hand sizes. From the top and the side view, we can see that the thickness of our product is 0.80 inch. From the front view, we can see that the height of our strength exerciser is 2.84 inch and the length is 4.05 inch. From the spring cover that you can see at the detail A, the length is 0.74. Next is the fingering part. Both of the length and the width is 0.80 as you can see at the detail B in isometric view. Here is our exploded model view. In this view, we can see all the parts such as body case, rod, screw, spring and the fingering part. Our body case is made from the polypropylene sulfide. At the top of the fingering part and the bottom of the body case, we use soft rubber material to bring comfort to the user. For a conclusion, the medical rehabilitation equipment that we produce may bring a lot of benefit to the user. This is because it contains all the marketing value which attract and capture the market of the hand exerciser product. A product improvement is the process of developing more meaningful product change to the new customer or increase the benefit to the existing customer. As we have developing this project together as a team, we hope that our product can attract our target customer out there. We also hope our product can be known around the world as the best hand exerciser product for a medical rehabilitation equipment. That's all for today. Thank you.